Hi, my name is Lisa London, and I put together the Cooking Around the World series. This one is Cooking Around the World, and I'm going to cook one of the recipes from my cookbook that's potato cakes. Now, let me see, and I think it's on page 18. It is on page 13, if you'd like to check that out. Okay, and the ingredients are, I have 2 cups of mashed potatoes. You'll need 1 egg. And we have onions, and we have salt, pepper, a cup of flour, and we have cooking spray. Now you can make your own mashed potatoes, but I try to do everything the easy way, and I like this kind, and conveniently this is exactly 2 cups, exactly what you need. I thought that was kind of neat. I actually just figured that out. So you put the mashed potatoes here. Okay. And then about half an onion to a whole onion. Just depends on how much onion that you like. And then a cup of flour. And you stir that all in. Probably should have wore an apron because the flour is kind of getting all over. And you stir it and you kind of make it into like a dough. When I was a kid, after holiday meals, whenever we'd have leftover potato cakes, I'd always ask my grandmother to make this for me as one of my very, very favorites. Okay, then take the egg. Keep stirring and stir the egg in. The egg kind of holds it together. I absolutely loved this when I was a kid. Takes a little bit. Keep stirring. Okay, then it's all mixed together. And I like to add some pepper. I like a lot of pepper, but of course, do it however you like. A little bit of sea salt. Like I said, I like a lot of pepper. Okay. And then over to the stove and we'll fry these up. Spray your pan, put it on medium heat, and then you cook these just like you're making pancakes. So you just kind of take them, put them in the pan, and just kind of lay them out. And these are good for breakfast. Grandma would serve them sometimes for breakfast with eggs. It was always a favorite of everybody's. Holidays, getting everybody together is always so nice. And we'll wait for a couple of minutes and let that get brown. We'll probably need to flip them over more than once. Oh, that one looks really good. Some people make these out of hash browns, but I always liked them out of mashed potatoes. And now we wait for the other side to turn into a golden brown. Then we flip it over again. Right there, that's the consistency that I prefer. Something in cooking that makes me very happy, especially like cooking with my Cooking Out of the Ozarks. These are recipes that my grandmother made for me and my mother made for me. And so when I attempt to make it and it tastes just like Grandma made, it makes me really happy. The first time I made these and it turned out like Grandma made, I was really happy. And with chicken and dumplings, nothing like that. I think these are done. Great to be served with eggs or however. I used to like them just like this because I just love these things. Sometimes Grandma in the Ozarks would serve it with like pinto beans. Serve it for dinner. Thanks for watching.